Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this question we have this compare the triplets challenge which is from algorithm series given by HackerRank. So in this question we have Alice and Bob who created problems for HackerRank which contains these triplets A and triplet B that contain A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2, and B contains B of 0, B of 1 and B of 2. So what we need to do, we need to compare these and rewards points as per the given condition, like if A of I is greater than B of I, then Alice will be rewarded with 1 point. If B of I is greater than A of I, then the Bob will be rewarded with 1 point, and if both are equal, then neither person will receive any point. Okay, so let's just check the input what we are getting. So in input we are getting these three space separated integers for A, and for the B the same thing, like three space separated integers. Okay, and input we need to provide this uh, list array of size I think 2 for value 1. It represents the rewards point for Alice, and the value 2 will represent the rewards point for Bob. Like in this question we can see, like here the Alice array is this 5 6 7, and this is B 3 6 10. So here A of I is greater than this B of I, that is 5 is greater than 3, so we will add one reward for the Alice to here, and here both are equal, so we add nothing. Here the Bob and triplet is greater than this means, like tan is greater than 7, so we will add 1 to the Bob's rewards. So this is sort of output that we need to give. So just get back to the coding part now. So let's just make a variable that gonna hold our result. So I'm simply providing it here 0 and 0 for now, and mm, uh, further we will add rewards point as per the situation. So for I in range len of a, this len function will store the uh, length of this list. Okay, you can use here 3 as well because triplets is always of 3 size, but I'm using this none of it, not a problem. So let's just get back to this. If A of I is greater than B of I, just copy paste it here. Then what we need to do, we need to reward 1 point to this Alice, right? So what is else where we need to make increment. So this is the value that will represent the Alice rewards point, so we are adding 1 to this part. Okay, in the condition where A of I is greater than B of I. In case this B of I is greater than A of I, what we need to do, we need to add rewards to the Bob's. So let me copy it here as well. So Bob rewards will be represent this value at index 1. So I'm adding 1 to this index 1, and if both are equal, then we need to skip that part because we are adding nothing. So this continue function, what will it will do, it will skip the present iteration and will continue with the next iteration. This is the functioning of this continue. So now what we need to do, we need to return our array, that is result. Let's just check the input now, and this is done, right? Yeah. So okay, so it is doing this job. Let's check for all the inputs. It's passing all the test cases. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.